Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to share some natural remedies for breastfeeding moms who don't have enough milk for their babies. If you have a chronic condition or are taking medication, talk to your doctor before using these remedies. Now, let's take a look at these medicinal herbs. I've got 2 amazing herbs here that can really help. You don't need to have both herbs, even one of them is enough. The first one is fennel. Fennel has been used since ancient times in traditional medicine to balance hormones and support women's health. Its seeds contain a compound called anethol, which acts like estrogen, the main female hormone, so avoid it during pregnancy and if you have estrogen-related diseases. Fennel is known as one of the best herbs to increase breast milk production. It works by stimulating the milk glands and increasing the level of prolactin, the hormone responsible for milk production. It can also help reduce gas and tummy pain in babies because some of its anti-gas properties pass through the milk to your little one. Please pay attention. The amounts in the bowls are just for showing the ingredients. Only use the small amount I brew in the teapot. The second herb is cumin. In traditional medicine, green cumin is also known to help increase milk supply. It improves blood flow to the mammary glands and helps the body produce more prolactin. You should avoid cumin during pregnancy. Cumin also helps reduce bloating and stomach discomfort, both for mom and baby. It gives mom better digestion and helps the baby feel calmer through breast milk. Also, cumin helps cleanse the uterus after childbirth, strengthens the immune system, and even helps improve sleep. Now let's make the tea. Add 1 dessert spoon of fennel and cumin seeds into your teapot. Let me share a few important notes. Stress, lack of sleep, and dehydration can also reduce milk production. Deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals can also cause low milk supply. Taking a good supplement under your doctor's supervision can really help. Now boil some water. If you feel hot flashes or digestive discomfort while using fennel or cumin, reduce the amount or stop using them. Now the water is ready. Pour 1 cup of boiling water into your teapot. Always use boiling water when making herbal tea, because only boiling water can pull out the healing benefits from the herbs. Hot water alone just can't do that. Let the tea steep for about 15 minutes. Once your tea is ready, you can drink it 2 or 3 times a day, in the morning, afternoon, and evening. You can also sweeten it with a little honey. Now let's talk about another great option, almond milk. Here's how you make almond milk. Pour 1 cup of water into a small pot. Bring it to a gentle boil. Then add 15 raw almonds. Let it boil until the almond skins get soft and swell up. Almonds are one of the best foods to nourish and strengthen breastfeeding moms. They help increase milk supply and support the brain and nerves. Almonds are rich in plant protein, calcium, magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-9. These give your body the energy and building blocks it needs to make more milk. They also help balance blood sugar and calm the nervous system. And when a mom feels more relaxed, prolactin, the milk-producing hormone, works even better. Now they are ready. Remove from heat and peel off the skins one by one. Almond milk can also help you relax and sleep better. It also contains healthy fats that support your heart and give you steady energy. It's low in calories, so it's a great choice if you're looking for something nutritious but not too heavy. It's light and easy to digest. It won't make your stomach feel heavy. In general, it can support a new mom's recovery in a simple, helpful way. The almonds are ready now. Put them in a blender. Add 2 cups of cool water to it. You can add a bit of honey to it if you like. Blend it really well until it's smooth. This method makes 2 cups of almond milk. The best time to drink them is at night. So drink one tonight and keep the second cup in the fridge to enjoy tomorrow night. Your almond milk is ready. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.